In today's crystal growing video, we are yet again growing another crystal to a famous artist all of you guys highly requested. And that artist is none other than Ed Sheeran. However, while we wait for this crystal to grow, I have a message for all you guys. As many of you are aware, I sell my crystals on Etsy. However, if you've ever sold anything on Etsy, you know exactly how your profits can get eaten away from all those fees taken out of each sale. Well, I want to let you guys know that there's a platform out there that takes out 0 fees from your hard work. This platform is called Tedooo. Tedooo is not only a platform for selling, but is also a social networking platform. You can not only sell your products, but you can interact with your customers through your posts and direct messaging. By combining the social and business ends together in one platform, Tedooo allows customers to get to know the sellers and their products before they make any purchases. Tedooo is amazing for crafty people like myself, as I can show my customers how all of my items were made, which makes the business so much more personal. And it is super easy to set up your profile and build your new store in just a couple easy steps. Tedooo is completely free to use, but if you want some really cool advanced features to run your business, Tedooo also offers a premium membership for sellers, which grants them a bunch more business running features, and is only $12 a month for a yearly plan and $24 a month for a monthly plan, which by far beats all the fees competitors take out from each sale. And for those of you that already have a shop running on different platforms, don't sweat it. You can still take advantage of Tedooo's helpful features while still keeping that shop running. Since Tedooo is also a social platform, you can grow your shop by growing your social status on Tedooo completely for free. Tedooo wants to see us crafters and small business owners succeed, which is why they put every aspect of small business into one app, allowing everyone to take part in this amazing platform. So download Tedooo today to take your business to the next level. And back to the crystals, it's time to see what kind of crystal Ed Sheeran's music has made. This hardened piece in the middle is always a good sign that there's a good crystal attached on the surface, and I'm brushing away this oxidized metal so it doesn't attach to the crystals when I pull it out. As I'm working at it, I'm noticing it's attached somewhere, which is often a good sign, meaning the crystal is really large and attached to the pot somewhere. But of course it finally breaks free. And look at all those crystals we got. And after letting it slowly cool to get its beautiful colors, this is the product that we got. I absolutely love the structure and the beautiful colors of these pieces. And like always, thank you so much for watching. And if you want me to try a different artist, comment which artist you think I should do.